Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kiki, also known as Chris. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So today is the first day of fall, so happy first day of fall, everybody. So excited. I love fall and I've been waiting to do this video. And what I decided to do was go with more of a rustic look, but also throw some different color shimmer into there. So if you want to see how I got this eye look, make sure that you stay tuned. I am so excited for fall, like it is ridiculous. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see how I got this look, make sure that you keep on watching. Alright guys, that was it. I hope that you enjoyed the video and that you enjoyed this look. I wanted to give something a little bit different, so I went ahead, even though I did use some rustic colors, that is fall. Those are my colors. I love them. I went ahead and threw in that like metallic green, and I thought that's really pretty because you can really play with colors during fall. It doesn't have to be browns and just rustic colors. It could be all different kinds of colors. So I wanted to go ahead and play with that palette and work with that, and it was my first time working with it, and it seemed really smooth, very easy to blend, and I just loved it. So I hope that you guys loved it as well. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe if you haven't. I would love to have you guys. You will see more videos like this. You will see vlogs. You will see videos with my husband and my kids. So make sure to subscribe if you have not already, and to tap that bell to see more videos like this and a lot more different videos. I think that the look turned out really good. I like it. It's one of my favorite looks. It's one of my favorite palettes right now. So I really enjoyed it, and I'm really happy for fall. Like, I love fall, and I'm really happy like that it is fall and we're getting closer to Christmas. I'm a holiday type of person, and that's just how I am. I love the holidays. So we are starting to get some crisp, cooler air here at night in Ecuador, which is amazing. So that makes me super excited. All right, guys. So I love you so much. I hope you enjoyed this. Muchos besos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.